Alright, so we are here at Home Depot looking at flooring. I'll show you all these wonderful picks. Beautiful flooring.
Is yours there, boss?
No. So, I'll show you what we have ended up picking. I'll flip the camera around.
Right?
This is the one. It's called Alberta Spruce.
Huh?
Alberta Spruce.
The Alberta Spruce.
Yeah, I like that. So I'm really happy with that. Out of any of the colors, I just didn't see anything we liked better, and I really am happy with this. It has the gray that I wanted. It has black in it. You see, it has white in it. I love it. Love it. Love it. I didn't see anything else I liked better. Too rustic on that gray is what I thought. And this, it's too much brown in this one. Not gray enough. I'll show you the one. This is the one that we ordered that was supposed to be gray. And it's obviously black. So that didn't work. So yeah, Aiden's with the salesperson right now. He brought the measurements, trying to find out how many boxes we need. And then we're out of here because I really like that. And I'll show you what these are. Pardon me. But there's an open box here. And this is it. And these are called stick and stroke. So, yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Anyways, this has the sticky edge. And then it fits, clicks right in and sticks down. I like it. So that's what we're getting. Okay, so we just got out of Home Depot. We took our measurements to the guy who's supposed to know what he's doing. He came up with 2,200 square feet of flooring that we needed for 185 square feet.
Motorhome.
Motorhome.
So our 36-foot motorhome ended up being bigger than our home. So
Yeah, our house is only 1,500 square feet. And we said, are you going by these measurements? They're in inches. Yeah, that's how much you need. Sir, that doesn't work. Yeah, that's what you're going to need. I said, give me my paper. So I went with my phone on calculator and I calculated it all. It was 185 square feet. We got a little over 200 square feet. So, and I don't know if you can see it back there, but yeah.
it's a little bit different color than what we
I
anticipated,
love the
but
color.
we love the color.
Love the color. I showed it to him in the store.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, so we're very happy. We're going to go home now. We're going to go eat Arby's maybe and then go home.
We're going to go get gas, and then we're going to go get Arby's and then go home. Because my gas gauge is on.
See you there. All right, we're at the house. We're going to open up the new tile for the first time. Let me put on our light here. Hold on. Seems dark. Still seems dark. Okay. If we can get the box open.
Right?
What the heck? Oh my God. I lost it.
I'm trying to leave the paper on so that we're not touching the stickies.
Oh yeah. Anyways, yep. I love it. It's so pretty. It's gonna be so nice. Yeah. And this is
It's just a vinyl.
just the final, so it's not spongy like the other one then.
So I wonder if we should go over the top of what we already have.
He looked at my face before he said joke. He knew. And he wasn't joking. Not gonna happen. I like it. Hey, your balloon's all wrapped around you. I was talking to buying this balloon for Aiden yesterday at the store, so now it's just in our way. Alright, awesome.
Keep that on here.
Yeah. It'll be fun putting this in.
I think it's gonna be. We'll bring you guys along though.
Yep.
That way you can see how to use, what was it called? Grip strip?
Grip strip.
Vinyl floor.
Yeah. Vinyl plank flooring grip strip. So we'll see how it works. Later. Wave. So we're replacing the lights that I got. I've replaced one on my side. I love this. I love this so much better. So, has the USB in it. And, woo, it's bright. That's so much better. I'm happy with the lights. How about you? Yeah. Awesome. Now, there's one hole that I was able to fit on my side, and then the rest I have to make. So, and I think it's like that. Don't break it. Don't break it at the last.
And that's me.
Sorry, I just put the fan on because it was getting hot in here. That's what that noise is. I can't do it.
Way I'm twisted. I'm being very long.
Whoa. Yay. Awesome, baby. Good job. I was putting him in, and Aiden came in, and he goes, I want to put my own in. So I let him put his own in. What do you think?
I love it.
I want to plug my phone into it, see the USB works. Doesn't that look so much better? Oh, nothing's sticking out. I like it. I love it. Thank you, baby. Alright, so I thought I'd better show you what we're doing today here before we get to film it all. Anyways, Aiden's been tearing up this carpet here. Almost done. And he's got all the tile up throughout until you get to the slides, which we're going to target some more weak slides out. And what am I doing? Well, these are the tiles I got for the bathroom, for over the bathroom sink, for the backsplash. And I thought they were really cool. I'm putting those on today, and that's how much I've got done so far. I really like it. I think they look really good. Happy with that. Here I am. Hello. So, yeah. I'm going to do up there, around there. There we go. I might have Aiden help me with this part. My hands don't do well in small spaces. I think that's going to look really good. So, that's what we're doing today. Talk to you later.
Not going into stuff. Grab that. Throw it away.
Ow! It's hot. Why'd you tell me to grab a hot screw?
Well, I didn't know it was hot.
I'll use the glove.
not going in, over here.
Then you're going in the metal or something. It must have been a metal thing where you were.
Metal's over here.
Yeah. So, where we took out the carpet here, the floor went down 7/16 of an inch. So, we had to go to Lowe's this morning and get a 7/16 inch OSB board, and we're putting that in before we put the flooring in, of course.
Which is fine, at least we know stuff is going to be done
Correctly.
properly.
Certainly wasn't when they built the place. Alright, so I just wanted to show you, I actually got tile done. I think it looks pretty darn good. I'm impressed with myself. I really, really like it too. So, very happy with it. So, here.